If you're experiencing connection errors in Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your modem or router. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can reduce latency, leading to a better gaming experience. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could interfere with your connection. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, try changing your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce ping and improve connection stability. Step 5. Update network drivers and game. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Additionally, check for any updates for Apex Legends and install them to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your connection while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming.